Choosing a phone plan that actually fits your lifestyle, it can be tough. Today we're comparing Google Fi and US Mobile, two carriers known for flexibility, but with very different approaches. Which one's better for you? So, Google Fi is all about simplicity and seamless coverage. It automatically switches between T-Mobile, US Cellular, and Wi-Fi hotspots to keep your connection stable. Plans start with a pay-as-you-go option, great for light users or unlimited plans, with free international data in over 200 countries. The downsides, prices climb quickly if you use a lot of data, and support can feel tech first rather than personal. Now, as far as US Mobile, it's built for customization. You can mix and match talk, text, and data, or go with unlimited plans that often run on either Verizon or T-Mobile's networks. It's often cheaper than Google Fi for heavy data users, and its customer support gets high marks for responsiveness. International roaming isn't as seamless, and you might need to tweak settings for optimal coverage. So which one is better? I'd say that if you travel internationally and you want plug-and-play simplicity, Google Fi is very tough to beat. And if you want more control of better pricing, bigger data plans, top-tier customer service, then US Mobile is definitely the smarter choice. So, which one would you choose? Simple global coverage or ultra custom plans? Drop your pick in the comments down below. If you want me to compare them with Mint or Visible next, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Give it a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.